Welcome to the 1 week ICSSR sponsored Faculty Development Program on Innovative Research Methodology in Social Sciences, Bridging Tradition with Technology, organized by the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Computer Application and Management, New Delhi from 15th to 19th September 2025. The program commenced with the grand inaugural session on 15th of September where BVICAM was honored to welcome our chief guest Professor K.G. Suresh, Director of India Habitat Centre, New Delhi. The session was presided over by Professor Sanjeev Bhanawat, Editor-in-Chief of Communication Today. We were further enriched by the thought-provoking addresses of Professor Durgesh Tripathi, Dean of the University School of Mass Communication at GGSIPU. Their messages underscored the vital need for innovation, critical inquiry, and the integration of traditional and modern methodologies in social science research. Over the span of 5 days, the program featured 15 technical sessions led by esteemed academicians and experts from across India. Day 1 began with Dr. Sachin Bharti from USMC, who delivered an engaging session on contemporary trends in cinematography and filmmaking, offering participants unique insights into the power of visual storytelling in research and media practice. Later, Dr. Ritika Vasan, Deputy Director at BVICAM, conducted a highly interactive session on managing bibliographic data using Mendeley. Her hands-on approach would equip participants with practical citation and reference management skills. Day 2 introduced participants to advanced tools in data analysis. Professor Rakesh Goswami from IIMC demystified statistical analysis using Jamovi, making complex data interpretation accessible and user-friendly. Dr. Rakhi from BVICAM followed with an important session on formulating research problems and hypotheses, a foundational step for any scholarly investigation. The day concluded with Professor Suchi Yadav of JNU, who guided participants through the nuance of qualitative research design, highlighting its importance in capturing human-centered insights. On day 3, Professor Umesh Arya of Guru Jambeshwar University delved into data analysis tools and the growing influence of artificial intelligence in research. His session showcased how AI is transforming the way researchers interact with data. Later, Dr. Amit Verma from Manipal University shared his expertise on conducting effective literature reviews, while Professor Tasha Singh from Galgotia University offered a compelling session on AI-enabled research in social sciences, stressing how emergent technologies are shaping future academic landscapes. Day 4 explored more specialized research methodologies. Professor Vivek Agrawal from GLA University introduced multi-criteria decision-making methods, illustrating their real-world applications. Professor Sachiv Mangla of OP Jindal University discussed key data collection techniques, emphasizing accuracy and rigor in interviews, surveys, and observation. The day concluded with Dr. Rakhi, who provided hands-on training on Zotero, equipping participants with yet another powerful bibliographic tool to streamline their research. The final day, Day 5, inspired participants to reflect on the real-world impact of research. Professor Surbhi Dhaya from IIMC led a session on designing effective case studies, emphasizing their importance in connecting academic theory to real-life application. The concluding session by Professor Amitabh Srivastav of Central University of Rajasthan shed light to the relevance of Indian knowledge system in contemporary research, encouraging scholars to explore indigenous wisdom alongside modern techniques. Throughout the week, the session sparked lively discussion, collaborative learning, and meaningful engagement. Participants left with a deeper understanding of the research process, from identifying questions and designing the methodologies to collecting and analyzing data and blending traditional knowledge with cutting edge technology.